Welcome back to Autos Reviews channel. The 2025 BRABUS 800 edition is an automotive masterpiece that blends luxury with extreme performance. Based on the Mercedes-AMG G63 S-Coupe, this high-performance SUV receives the signature BRABUS treatment, transforming it into an aggressive, power-packed machine designed to dominate both city streets and open highways. Under the hood, the BRABUS 800 boasts a heavily tuned 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers a staggering 800 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. This power upgrade allows the SUV to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.4 seconds. An astonishing feat for a vehicle of its size. The top speed is electronically limited to 280 km per hour, ensuring both thrilling acceleration and high-speed stability. Externally, the BRABUS 800 receives a bold and aggressive makeover. A striking wide-body kit enhances its stance, with aerodynamic carbon fiber elements adding both visual appeal and functional improvements. The signature BRABUS grille, a front spoiler, and rear diffuser contribute to the SUV's dynamic presence. A set of massive 23-inch forged wheels with high-performance tires further enhance the vehicle's commanding road presence while improving handling and grip. Inside the cabin, the BRABUS 800 is a fusion of opulence and sportiness. Premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber trims, and aluminium pedals create an exclusive yet race-inspired atmosphere. The seats offer exceptional comfort and support, while custom BRABUS badging and illuminated door sills add to the vehicle's exclusivity. Advanced technology, including a state-of-the-art infotainment system and customizable ambient lighting, ensures that luxury is never compromised. With its extraordinary blend of power, design, and comfort, the 2025 BRABUS 800 edition is the ultimate statement of performance luxury. It is a vehicle designed for those who demand the best in both speed and sophistication, offering an unmatched driving experience in the world of high-performance SUVs.